In this video, you'll learn how to share Dropbox files without needing a Dropbox account of your own. This is perfect if someone has sent you a link to a file in their Dropbox, or if you're using a shared computer that already has Dropbox set up and you just want to grab a link quickly and send it on. First, you'll want to log in to Dropbox.com using any modern web browser. In the address bar, type the Dropbox web address and sign in with your existing credentials if you have them. If someone else is already signed in on that browser, make sure you have their permission to use the account since you'll be sharing files from their Dropbox. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Dropbox homepage with a list of your files and folders. Next, look through your files and locate the specific file or folder you want to share. When you find it, move your mouse pointer over that item. As you hover over it, a few options and icons will appear on the right-hand side. One of those options will be something like copy link. Go ahead and click that. Dropbox will create a shareable link for that file or folder. If a link already exists, it will simply copy the existing one instead of making a new one. After you've copied the link, you'll usually see an option to manage the link settings. Click on Manage or the equivalent link settings option that appears. Here you want to make sure the sharing permissions are set correctly, especially if you're sending this to someone who doesn't have a Dropbox account. Look for the setting that controls who can access the link and change it so that it says anyone with the link can view. This ensures that the person receiving the link can open and view the file, even if they're not signed into Dropbox or don't have an account at all. They won't be able to edit anything. They'll just have view access, which is usually the safest and most practical option. Once you're sure the permission is set to anyone with the link can view, click Save to confirm your changes. Saving locks in those settings so the link will behave the way you expect when you share it. Now that your link is ready, it's time to send it. The link is already copied to your clipboard, so you can paste it directly into an email, a text message, or a chat app like Slack. Just open your preferred app, start a new message, right-click and choose Paste, or use your keyboard shortcut to paste the link. Add any context or explanation you want to include so the recipient knows what the file is, then send your message. That's all you need to do. You've successfully created a Dropbox share link and set it so anyone with that link can view the file even without a Dropbox account.